Hey woodworkers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some seriously exciting new tools from Woodpeckers. If you're a fan of precision, innovation, and tools that make woodworking easier and more accurate, then stick around. I'm about to show you 10 incredible new Woodpeckers tools that you'll want to add to your workshop right now. Number 1. The Woodpeckers stainless steel Tsquare is a precision tool designed for woodworkers who prioritize accuracy and durability. Building on the success of their popular aluminum Tsquares, Woodpeckers has introduced a stainless steel version that incorporates several improvements. Featuring a thin, satin-finished stainless steel blade, this Tsquare provides excellent readability and ensures lines stay precise. The patented sawtooth scribing guides allow for easy and accurate marking along the blade, making it effortless to create parallel lines from the edge of any material. One standout feature of this Tsquare is its compatibility with various marking tools, giving woodworkers flexibility and ease of use. The new design also includes a smaller, centrally located head, which helps balance the tool while in use, enhancing control and comfort. Available in 3 sizes, the Woodpeckers stainless steel Tsquare is a reliable addition to any workshop, especially for those who value precision layout and marking. This upgrade in material and design makes it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and hobbyists seeking long-lasting, high-quality measuring tools. Number 2. The Woodpeckers Joiner's Saddle Square is designed for precision and convenience in furniture and cabinet joinery. As a one-time tool, this saddle square is crafted with 2 CNC machined aluminum plates joined at a perfect right angle, creating a wraparound design that offers unique benefits. One side allows you to mark both the face and edge of a board seamlessly around the corner, while the other side lets you accurately extend a 45 degrees miter around the corner. Beyond the typical layout capabilities, this tool includes machine scribing guides on both sides, making it easy to achieve exact marks every time. Additionally, the Joiner's Saddle Square incorporates 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees reference angles, making it versatile for various joinery applications. This combination of features makes it a complete, compact layout tool that ensures precision and ease, perfect for anyone serious about quality woodworking. Number 3. The Woodpeckers Drill Press Protractor is an essential tool for woodworkers looking to achieve precision when setting angles on their drill press and other shop tools. It simplifies the often challenging transition from straight and square designs to more complex angled joinery, essential for projects like splayed leg chairs and mid-century modern furniture. The protractor's vernier scale enables incredibly accurate angle settings, down to 5 minutes of a degree, with clearly engraved and widely spaced markings for easy reading. To use, simply set your desired angle on the protractor, mount it in the drill press chuck, and adjust the table to match. This streamlined approach eliminates guesswork, allowing you to confidently add angles to your designs. The Drill Press Protractor is a straightforward yet powerful addition to any woodworker's toolkit, ideal for achieving spot-on precision in angled drilling and layout tasks. Number 4. Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear finger grip groove bits are crafted to add a refined, functional detail to cutting and serving boards. These carbide-tipped, bearing-guided bits mill a subtle, concave recess that aligns perfectly with various board thicknesses, enhancing fingertip grip without compromising on aesthetics. Available in 3 sizes to suit boards approximately 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch thick, these bits provide versatility across different projects. The pilot bearing ensures a consistent depth and smoothly follows the board's curve, making creating grooves along straight or curved edges easy. You can set stops with a fence to control groove length for straight cuts. On curved edges, mark start and end points to align with the bearing center. These grooves can be used on selective areas or cut continuously around thinner boards for a unique look. With Ultra-Shear finger grip groove bits, adding a professional, practical finish to boards is straightforward and customizable. Number 5. The Woodpecker's Add-an-Inch block is a practical tool for making safe, repeatable crosscuts. Simply clamp the block to your rip fence, positioning it well ahead of the blade to create a safe stop point for your stock. This offset design prevents pieces from getting trapped between the blade and fence, reducing the risk of kickback and improving cutting accuracy. The block's exact 1-inch width also makes it easy to set your cut length. Just add an inch to your rip fence scale for the desired measurement, set the fence, and you're ready to cut consistent, identical pieces. With 2 low-profile clamping options, this block is quick and simple to secure. While clamping a block to the fence isn't a new method, the add-an-inch block's precise design and ease of use make it an ideal solution for efficient, accurate cross-cutting. Number 6. The Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear flat top dado blade set is engineered to create clean, square-bottomed dado cuts, ideal for furniture projects where exposed joinery matters. Unlike traditional premium dado sets that have slightly higher outside bevel teeth to prevent tear-out on veneered plywood, this American-made blade set eliminates those bat ears entirely, delivering crisp, 90-degree corners without small triangular marks. The Ultra-Shear set features 24-tooth outside blades with a 5 degrees negative hook, all teeth meticulously ground to the same height as the chippers. This design ensures a perfectly flat-bottomed dado, making it a great choice for exposed joints like box joints, half-laps, and bridle joints. With this innovative blade set, woodworkers can achieve high-quality, professional results in projects where the visual integrity of the joinery is essential. Number 7. Woodpecker's phenolic clamping cauls modernize a classic woodworking technique, providing effective, high-pressure clamping for panel glue-ups and more. Unlike traditional wooden cauls, which often lack stiffness and risk sticking to glue-ups, these phenolic cauls deliver precision and ease. Phenolic material is much stiffer than wood, and the camber design is engineered to apply 225 pounds of pressure when fully clamped, ensuring your panels stay flat without unwanted flex. A key benefit of these cauls is their resistance to typical woodworking glues, so there's no risk of bonding cauls to your project from glue squeeze out. Beyond flattening panels, Woodpecker's clamping cauls enhance clamp performance overall, making them useful in scenarios where typical clamps can't apply pressure. These durable, non-stick clamping aids are ideal for woodworkers looking to achieve flawless, flat glue-ups and precise clamping in challenging applications. Number 8. Woodpecker's Big Cal Woodworking Calipers bring high-precision measurement to woodworking, delivering both inside and outside dimensions with piston-fit accuracy. Traditional calipers, often limited to 6 inches and used for metalworking, lack the range needed for larger woodworking projects. Big Cal is designed specifically for woodworkers, combining the precision of machinist tools with the scale required for furniture making. Big Cal calipers allow woodworkers to measure larger pieces with accuracy, extending beyond the small-scale limitations of standard calipers. This makes them ideal for tasks requiring precise fitting, such as joinery and intricate woodwork. With Big Cal, woodworkers can achieve exact measurements on a furniture-sized scale, bringing a new level of accuracy to projects that require meticulous attention to detail. Number 9. The Woodpecker's router plane is designed for precise adjustments, making it an invaluable tool for both hand tool enthusiasts and machinery users. Often, machines struggle with fine adjustments, and even some hand tool methods can fall short. The router plane, however, has always excelled at making those subtle, critical adjustments to joints. Woodpeckers has taken this classic tool and modernized it, drawing inspiration from designs dating back to the late 1800s. The result is a router plane that offers exceptional versatility, featuring 3 different mounting positions and multiple blade orientations for added flexibility. Additionally, the plane includes a backlash-free depth adjustment system, ensuring consistent and precise control with every cut. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a newcomer to hand tools, the Woodpecker's router plane is engineered to meet your needs with quality and precision. Number 10. The Woodpecker's 12-in-1 woodworking tool is a compact and versatile measuring and marking tool that combines 12 essential functions into one. It features 2 precisely machined stainless steel scales, connected by a thumb wheel, which allows you to configure them in different ways to perform a variety of tasks. These include functions like a Tsquare, tri-square, bevel gauge, marking gauge, 12-inch rule, and a compass, making it a must-have for woodworkers who value precision and convenience. Thanks to CNC machining and precision laser engraving, the 12-in-1 tool offers high accuracy and durability. Once you experience how easy it is to carry this tool in your pocket, you'll appreciate the space and time saved compared to carrying individual tools. Whether you're laying out joints, measuring angles, or marking cuts, this tool simplifies your workflow and ensures high-quality results every time. It's an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit, providing multiple functions without the bulk.